Best Midsize Sports Sedans for 2024 Volkswagen Golf R. In the competitive market of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R stands out as a top contender, combining exceptional performance, advanced technology, and everyday practicality. As Volkswagen's flagship performance model, the Golf R is designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining the brand's reputation for quality and reliability. At the heart of the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R is a potent 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing an impressive 315 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a standard 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, catering to driving purists and those seeking more convenience. Volkswagen's 4-motion all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring ensures optimal traction and dynamic handling, allowing the Golf R to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds. The 2024 Golf R's handling prowess is further enhanced by its sport-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and advanced chassis control systems. The DCC adaptive chassis control offers multiple driving modes, including comfort, sport, and race, allowing drivers to tailor the car's dynamics to their preferences. The Golf R's precise steering and agile handling make it equally adept at navigating city streets and tackling winding roads, providing an engaging and responsive driving experience. Visually, the 2024 Golf R exudes a sporty and aggressive presence. Its sleek design is highlighted by a distinctive front fascia, LED headlights, and aerodynamic enhancements. The sporty character is further emphasized by 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and R-specific styling cues, such as blue brake calipers and a unique rear spoiler. Inside, the Golf R offers a premium and technology-rich environment. The cabin features high-quality materials, such as Nappa leather upholstery and carbon fiber trim, creating a refined and luxurious atmosphere. The advanced infotainment system includes a 10-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Performance-oriented features like sports seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel enhance driver engagement and comfort. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2024 Golf R. The sedan comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R sets a high standard for performance and luxury in the midsize sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the Golf R offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether commuting through urban environments or enjoying spirited drives on open roads, the Golf R promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.